I'd like to thank Lyridz for going through and sending me this 2-pack of battery rechargeable lights. These are great night lights to go through and use for your hallway, kitchen, bathroom, anywhere you need them. Let me go through explain a lot about them and what makes these so unique. First, you have a switch on the side that's going to go through and turn it off, on, or auto. So you're going to have those options here. And you also have an area here to use for charging, USB-C. It does come with one cord, so you can plug one and charge one at a time. Also, on the side, you do have other options. Here's to go through and just have the light on the top. And then in the middle, it's the light on the top and the light on the bottom. And then if you push it all the way down, it's just the light on the bottom. There's also a button here. If you long press it, it's going to go through and get very bright. And then if you just do short presses, the light will dim and you can get it really dim. In the front, you have a motion detector. So this is going to go through and see motion and it will pick up and turn these on. This does have a far range, which I've learned because I was actually in my living room and they're by my stairs and it was still picking up. So keep that in mind. It does have a really good range. Now, also with the motion detector, I actually thought these weren't working at first until I found out it only uses the motion detector if it's dark out, which makes perfect sense. Why do you want the lights to come on when there's already light? So keep that in mind. It does have to be dark for this to work with the motion detector when it's set to auto. Now you can just keep it on and it will stay on fine, no problem all the time. Just giving you an idea of the size, this is an iPhone 15 Pro Max case, so it's the biggest iPhone there is. And just to give you an idea about how big it is. So it's not that big, doesn't take up a lot of room. How it works is there is a magnet here and it comes with a metal plate with 3M on the other side. So you stick the 3M plate to the wall or have a metal area you could clip this to and it just goes on. And then when you're done, you can just take it off easily and charge it anytime you need, which I'm already all set up. I just have it taken off just to go through and show you. I'll just go through and set it right to it. The magnet is very strong and you don't have to worry about it falling off. So the main question is, would I buy these? Definitely. They are very solid. I had no problems other than not knowing about the dark thing, which my wife pretty much kind of made fun of me for. Other than that, everything else works great. I like that there's a light on the top and on the bottom, and you can alternate either way. So you can just put it on the floor and focus on that instead of shining up. You can put them in the bathroom, anywhere you want. So definitely would purchase these again. Awesome product.